Hey, it's me, Geomag Kid. I'm out here outside Old Time Pottery here at the Mountain Mile here in Pigeon Forge. Check it out. Y'all stay with me. Okay. Hey, it's me, Geomag Kid. Guess where I'm at? I'm at the Pottery store here in Pigeon Forge. And I want to check out some old time pottery. That's the name of it, old time pottery. And I'm going to check out some stuff. They got some Christmas stuff there. And I'm with Poppy and Molly here in the trailer. You ready to go? Okay, stay with me. Hey, check out, he's got these giant bowls here. These things are huge. I mean, they are huge. Put one on my trailer. And they got these cool little Santa Claus here. $60. Wow. We even got 50% off Halloween stuff. Walk around here and check it out. Alright. This store is huge. Got everything Christmas. Bigger than a Hobby Lobby almost. Maybe even some boots here. Down the hallway there, you got a bunch of bowls there. You got everybody else here. This place is crazy. Look at all these lights. Awesome. You got Halloween costumes there. And check out these doormats. They're all cool looking. We got some Mickey Mouse. We got some Snoopy ones here. New Year. Over there. Yeah, a whole row here. Look at those mats. Yeah, doormat for Christmas. They got out here. Hey, it's me again. Look at this. All the stuff they got here. Floral stuff. And so they got these trees here. Skinniest Christmas tree I was seeing ever. It's white. You got a black one here. Black one, purple, white, and you got a pink one. You know all these trees here. Wow. All on sale here at Old Time Pottery. Yeah, it's over here too. So y'all come and check it out. And thank Sean Hussey, the Gatlinburg Hussey. Every time they come over here, you check it out. And this is in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Christmas stuff. Hey, it's me again. It's Geomag Cat, and that's my little vlog of the Old Time Pottery here for Christmas. They got a lot of stuff here on sale. Good stuff. You need something for Christmas, or you want to do some stuff next year for Thanksgiving or Halloween. They got on sale. Wow, everything you need here. This place is huge too. You got furniture, shoes, clothing, everything in the back. Again, this is Geomag Cat. Thanks for watching. You have a Merry Christmas. I'm out here.